Is I'm going to go over some Black Rifle coffee, and the name of this one right here is called Just Black, and this is in the instant coffee pouches. So this can be either served hot or cold, so you can do kind of different, however you want to drink it there. And it's got 8 pouches in it, and I think they're 3-gram pouches, which is a net weight of 0.85. This is a medium roast, 100% coffee, and looking over the back, the bottom, hey, this is the bottom of the box. Nothing fun ever happens here. Well, I agree with that. And tear, pour, serve for instant hot or cold. You can see basically how it works there. So let's open up the box and let's see what we got in here. So there is a little piece of tape right here. I've not even opened these, by the way. I do have my Yeti cup here. I will go get some hot water and see. So open it up. You can see all the packets in there. Well, that's how they come in these little individual wrap packages right here. Let me grab some hot water and let's see how they mix up, and then I'll do a taste test. Okay, so I just boiled some water in my kettle there. Let's go ahead and try these out. Let's see how easy they are to tear. Well, that's not too bad. I like it when I can tear something. I don't have to get a pair of scissors to make it work. It's actually it's kind of a fine powder, if you can see it. It's like a little fine powder. It's not very coarse, it seems like. I'm just testing it out to see how easily this mix up also. Actually, that mixed very well, everybody. You can see right there how well that mixed. Let me go ahead and put this to the test. Okay, well, I've had a lot of different varieties of coffee. This doesn't have like a bitter taste to it. Let me try it again. It's got a very smooth taste to it. Yeah, this is something I'm going to be using on my camping trips, because a lot of times I don't have a coffee pot, but I can just boil water real quick, throw it in there, and then throw me in some coffee, and I'm good to go in the mornings. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Black Rifle coffee, Just Black, instant. See y'all in the next video.